Okay, it's another beautiful day in the garden. Getting up here this morning, getting ready to go and tackle some more garden chores in Big Mama's garden. I'm trying to prepare this container here to plant my okra. They're getting kind of leggy inside. I needed to hurry up and get them out here and let them get some of this sun and start growing some new okra plants here. So let me get ready to plant this okra in this container pot. Okay, I got a new start here growing some more okra in this container pot. Got 9 plants that I planted in here. Now y'all start growing big and beautiful okra for my family. More okra grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay, cucumber, I said I was gonna come back for you. Boy, look how big you have grown in just a day. Look at you. Okay, cucumber. Look at you. Look how big you are. Okay. Come on, let me harvest you. Come on out. Look at this pickling cucumber, how big it is. Looking good. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Look at all the blooms still growing here, coming out. More cucumbers to come. Look at you, more cucumbers to come. Look what I discovered from the cucumber that wasn't supposed to be growing over here. I discovered one the other day, but look here. This one got 2 more big ones on here I need to harvest. Look at that. Get these leaves out of here so y'all can see them. Look at those 2. Look at those 2. Okay. Look at that. Look at that big one. That's a big cucumber. That's one. And this one over here. Look at here. That's another one. That's 2. 2 big cucumbers that I need to harvest. Look at y'all. So I got 3 off for this one already. Okay, cucumber. See if I can get you out there. Look at that one. 1. And 2. They was just hanging down here in the dirt. Growing all of these here blooms, yellow flower blooms around them. I didn't see this one this morning. These 2. Look at that. Look at that. 2 nice sized cucumbers. Make sure I ain't mixing nothing else. Got so many blooms on this one. Like it's gonna produce a lot. Look at y'all. Okay. Okay, cucumbers. Look at y'all getting tall. Y'all just taking over this little bed here. Look at all y'all little cucumbers growing up. Look at that. I have a lot to harvest from this plant. There's 1 cucumber plant. This one want to grow me a lot of cucumbers. Yeah, if you want fast growing cucumbers, you got to plant those pickling cucumbers because they really grow fast. Cucumbers from Big Mama's garden.